Ek minute. Aha. Anya, soon you will have to come to India. Ek minute. Anya is German.
Opened a box of candle.
Yes.
And it smells so good. But I always need candles. Oh, it smells so good. All these people are artists.
I'm sorry, I'm a little slow today.
You have what?
I'm a little slow today.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Yes, Anu.
Hi.
Hi. Naifa, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Excellent.
Could you do card reading for her, please? Thank you. Any
Thank
question?
you so much.
Any question, Maha?
No, I just want to know.
Okay.
I'm open, yeah.
So let's read for this beautiful lady. We have a brilliant talk after this by Deepa.
Maha, for you, I am getting whatever family conflicts that you feel that were there are coming to an end. It's an end of a cycle for that.
Hope so.
And a lot of karmic release is happening. So whatever you feel that, okay, this is my karma and this is what is stored up, that again is opening up and clearing up for you. I'm seeing that, you know, you're going to be more happy internally, which is what is required. So if you're not doing that, please do that. Do whatever makes you happy, like painting, coloring, listening to music, anything that creates your inner happiness is very important right now, because that is going to bring about a beautiful flow in life, which is just going to like take you ahead in a lot of ways. So you just need to be happy from within.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That's amazing. Let's do another reading for Mai, M-A-I. She's also from Egypt.
Yes.
Let's
She's
do
my friend.
Ah, Mai. So let's
Yes.
do a reading for her too.
Yes, okay.
Any friend of yours is a friend of mine. So, brilliant. Amen. Mai, do you have any question?
Anna, my boy.
So, will you be able to translate for her?
Yes, she knows English quite well,
Oh,
but
wonderful.
I don't know. Yeah.
Oh, my.
Hello. Hello.
She's my best friend at work. We work together, so I appreciate that she's there supporting me. Thank you. Thank you, Mai.
How nice.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you for everyone meeting at this meeting.
Thank you. Any question?
Thank you so much.
You're beautiful, Mai. Any question?
Sorry?
You have any question?
No questions.
No question.
No, thank you so much. Everything is very clear. But I like to, I hope that you let the last song to be completed,
Yes.
because I'm happy. Very nice song.
Yes.
Everything is perfect. Thank you, man. Thank you for everyone.
Wonderful.
Mai, for you, I have got a spiritual journey is about to open for you. So keep yourself open for that. Whatever you like to do, whatever you like to chant, maybe prayers, whatever you're comfortable with, do that, because it's going to open up a lot of things. You might be facing certain blocks right now, places where, you know, maybe you can't communicate properly with your family. They are not able to understand what is happening with you, or some issues that I'm getting with the family right now. So just be open to receiving guidance from the divine, and things will sort out soon. Thank you.
Wonderful. Let's do one more reading for, we have to do for Deepa right now, who's our next speaker. Let's do a reading for her, and then let's do reading for Ruhi.
Yeah. Hi, Deepa. We were together in Smriti's class
Okay. Hi,
at
Deepa.
Thrive.
Hi, Anu. Hi,
Hi.
Deepa. Hi, Usha. Hi, Anu.
Hi, Usha ji.
Hi.
Any question, Deepa?
No, really, I'm open to whatever shows up.
Okay. So, Deepa, I have got for you a beautiful partnership is opening up for you, whether it is with some business plan that you have in mind, or working with somebody, or even it could be renewed vows with your partner. So anything could be possible, but it's a beautiful reunion sort of a thing happening for you. Family life, if you feel that there has been some issue, some strain that has been going on, it is showing opening up a lot of avenues there. You need to just work on your intuition on how to deal with family right now, and things will open up there. Again, I am also getting for you that you need to do some chanting, some prayer, some meditation, which is going to be, more beneficial to you than
Yes.
whatever is already happening in your life. And certain karmic blocks that were there in your life, that is going to open up with this, your chanting and everything, because I am seeing certain blocks there, maybe some money issues that are there which I'm just not clearing up at times. I mean, it comes and goes. So
Correct.
that flow that is required, that the chanting and the meditation and focus there will just open up everything.
Correct.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Binaifa, right?
Yes.
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 If
So you are
anybody-
bang on.
If anybody
Your
has a
Thank
question
you.
on the Facebook, please do write it down. You are brilliant, Binaifa. I wanted to give
Thank
you
you.
a message from Dr. Kwesi. He said whatever you were saying for him has actually been true.
Oh, great.
Yeah. Next person that we read for is Ruhi.
Hi,
Sorry,
Ruhi,
I'm
any
in
questions?
Australia. It's very cold, so please don't mind my state because it is freezing here.
Oh, where are you?
I
Where
don't-
are you, Ruhi?
I'm in Melbourne, in Australia at the moment.
Welcome here. Don't worry. We are hardly looking at the looks. It's the spirit inside you that matters.
I know, but I'm sorry. I'm just like it's very cold right now, so I'm just like with a steamer on.
No problem. Any question, Ruhi?
Nah, I don't have a question, Binaifa. Thank you so much. Please, if you could just give me a reading, that would be appreciated.
Wow. I love that there are people from different countries here: Egypt, Germany, Australia, India, various parts of India.
Ruhi, what I'm getting for you is you have a lot of difficulty in asking people for anything. And that's where all the blocks are being created for you right now. So maybe you're feeling very suffocated with a lot of things, with a lot of people, and people not willing to understand where you're coming from and what you're trying to tell them or explain to them. It's showing a tough time for you right now with that. Just trying to get your point across to people. So is that what is happening right now?
Not really, but yeah, I mean, considering we are in lockdown at the moment and living in isolation does get to you because everybody's busy in this world. So I don't really expect a lot from people. I've learned to be independent, and I think my sister Deepa has been my biggest mentor because she really is in the spiritual field and she guides me. So I think that has really put me in a better place right now, mentally and emotionally, where I was last year.
Wonderful.
Okay, great. Because do ask people for help, because that comes very, it's not very easy for you to ask people for help, but do that because it's going to make life very easy for you. And for
Sure.
you also, I'm getting a lot of karmic clearing happening. So maybe a detox will happen. So just be prepared for that. Whatever you can do to get that clearing with ease, ask your body for that. That whatever is happening, whatever clearance is about to happen, let that happen with ease. So whatever you need to do for that, go ahead with that. Thank you.
Sure, thank you so much. I think you've just said what Deepa would always tell me: ease, ease, ease whenever I'm stressed. So I think, Binayfa, I'm going to get in touch with you because I have a personal question which is bothering me. But definitely, thank you so much for your help and your time. And I would want to give you great gratitude in whatever you guide me with. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We have Sarita asking specially for a reading. So can we go ahead and read for Sarita?
Yeah.
Sarita,
Thank you, Anu.
You're most
No,
welcome.
I don't have a question. Whatever comes up for me.
Whatever comes up for her.
Anja had also put up her hand. I don't know if she wants to ask you something, I think.
Anya, do you want to ask anything or do you want a reading?
No, I just want to say something once you're finished with the card.
Okay.
Wonderful. I want to talk to Binayfa and to yourself.
Wonderful. Binayfa, I have an offer for you. I was just wondering if we can all learn cowries from you and how can you create that? Of course, it will be a paid workshop.
Yeah, so I'm working on creating another type of chart.
Wonderful. So think about
once
it.
That
you don't have to answer it right now. Think about it.
Yeah.
I'm openly putting this proposal across in front of everyone.
Thank you.
So that everybody can hear me and everybody can. She's been with us with real commitment for the last 2.5 months for everyone. She's been at service, everyone. And I think it's time to sit down and learn from her.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm so excited to learn.
Same here.
Thank you. Sarita, for you, I have got a lot of movement happening in the family in a good way. So use your intuition on how to balance these energies because it's going to be a beautiful journey. If there has been any misunderstanding or anything that's been happening, it is going to clear out. So be ready for that. Be ready for openness. And somewhere, whatever spirituality, the progress in spirituality that you've been blocking, please be open to moving in that direction because it's there. You have a calling for it, but I don't know why you're not able to, go ahead and move in that direction. So do that. It's going to be a lot of good revelations happening for you and a lot of basically personal growth which is there in this. So enjoy that journey.
Wow.
Thank you.
It's bang on. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Could you please share your number loudly with everyone?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure. It's 9833
9833
22 3777.
3777.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Binayfa, could you do a reading for me? Thank you.
Yes. Anu, for you, I have got flow. Go with the flow. And this is more towards family wherein things are easing out there so that you can use your intuition and build beautiful partnerships to do other things where you can actually bloom and take charge of your life in a way that you've not done before. So it's showing as a beautiful journey, like lovely waves.
Wow.
Where things are trying to, get sorted. And whatever the blocks are there, so it's like the path is here, the blocks are here. So you're going to just surpass them and go straight to your destination, which is a beautiful way in which it's showing up. And it's all because you are grounded and your roots are very strong. So that is the important part, which is there with you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Most welcome.
Before we